together to march to show that Berlin is culturally very colorful, that each and every person who stays here has a chance to live here. So we are accompanying other cultural groups. We are about 10 of us. So we are coming to participate and make sure people understand how cultural bondage, how culturally strong is Berlin. Berlin is sexy. Sexy and bunt. It means sexy and colorful. So Berlin is a very colorful city. It's a city of many, many chances, accept many people. We are very full of diversity. It doesn't matter where you come from Africa, it doesn't matter the continent you come from. So this cultural week here in Berlin is very important because it shows how much this city is diverse. Diversity in the city is very strong. Actually, the main thing here is it's not choosing which group is better than the other. The main thing here is getting fun, showing our diversity first. There are very nice groups with different activities that one can really enjoy. So I think what we have to do is keep everything moving and enjoy yourself. And each and every group has speciality. We enjoy that and let the diversity flows.
So I've been in Berlin since I'm almost 7 years, and I have seen a lot of cultures here. I've celebrated a lot of celebrations, different kinds of events here. So I see as Berlin is a very welcoming city. Plus, people like to enjoy what they see, what they sense, and what they see. So that's what I think makes it different from all over Germany and all over Europe, for that sense.